This drip is undermining the credibility of this administration. Representative Trey Gowdy, RSC, said that the details in the emails disclosed by Donald Trump Jr. regarding a meeting he had with a Russian lawyer in June 2016 disturbed him deeply. During an interview with Fox News host Martha MacCallum Tuesday, Gowdy explained his concern had less to do with what actually happened at the meeting than with how it was handled. So in terms of this Donald Trump Jr. story that's out there today, are you troubled by any of it? MacCallum asked. Yeah, I'm troubled on 3 levels, Gowdy said. Number 1, the legal level, but I think that's Special Counsel Bob Mueller's lane. The political level, Martha, here we are beginning another week, this one in July with a new revelation about Russia. And the third, which is more of a medical issue, is the amnesia of the people that are in the Trump orbit, Gowdy said. A report from the New York Times on Monday titled Russian Debt on Clinton, I Love It, Donald Trump Jr. said, led to Trump Jr. disclosing his email correspondence related to a meeting he had in June 2016 with a Russian attorney who promised to provide information on Democratic presidential candidate Hillary Clinton. Someone close to the president needs to get everyone connected with that campaign in a room and say, from the time you saw Dr. Zhivago until the moment you drank vodka with a guy named Boris, you list every single one of those and we're gonna turn them over to the special counsel, Gowdy said. Because this drip is undermining the credibility of this administration, Gowdy said. Well, you may be right about that, MacCallum said. MacCallum cited the Magnitsky Act, which is basically a U.S. act that went through Congress that limits friends of Vladimir Putin, close associates, from things they like to do, like traveling to the United States, traveling throughout other areas in the world, because it's a slap on the wrist for human rights violations. Are you concerned that there was an effort to influence this campaign with regard to changing that, she asked, or to find a sympathetic ear on that? I'm not nearly as concerned with that, Gowdy said. I'm much more concerned with the words of the actual email than the real reason. The attorney wanted to meet Russian government's efforts to help the Trump campaign, official documents, Gowdy said.